this is fractions of whole. 1/4 of 7. So that would be 7/4 is what? 3.5. Half of that would be 1 3/4. Or 7/4. 3/4 of 7. This would be. It's too bad that's not 8. 3/4. But we wouldn't write that. 3 9/4 equal to. I take 8 out, so that would be 2, 5, and 1/4. 4. Wait, yeah. 1/5 of 25, much easier. That's much easier to think about. It's much simpler, right? When these, what you'll notice is when these denominators match as factors or as multiples of the whole number, much easier. 1/3 of 36 is 12, because 12 times 3 is 36, so 2/3 would be 24. That's why they started with that. That's kind of a brain tickler there. True or false? 3/4 times 11, 8 and 1/4. Well, I know it's 11 groups of 3/4 would be 33. 2/4 and then 1/4 left over. 3/50 is 50. 5th is 4. 3/5 would be 12. 2/5 of 30 is 18. 1/30 would be 6. 2/6 would be 12. 16 times 1/5 is 16/5. That's true. 6 of 21 is 7. That doesn't seem... Well, 1/3. Yeah, that's 7. 24/3 equals 48/3. That's true. 24 groups of 2/3, which would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 24 times. Madeline read 2/3 of her favorite book to her grandparents' house. If the book had 225 pages, how many read? So we have 225. So she read 2/3 of that. I'm wondering if there's a way. Do you remember the trick to knowing if this is divisible by? We add the digits together. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3. That means because this equals 9, this has to be divisible by 3. And think of this as 5 divided by 3 times 2. So what would that be? If I wanted to do 225, 100 wouldn't work. 100 would be 300. That means 50 is 150. That gives 5. That's half of 50. Or half of 50, so that'd be 25. So that would be 25 plus 50 is 75. 75 times 2 equals 150 pages. All right, Theo entered a race that required like 54 kilometers and run 1/6 as far as he... How many meters will he run? All right, so he has to run 1/4 of 54 kilometers. Or 1/6 of 54. Is there a is there? There's 6 and 54. This is equal to 54 divided by... Think about that. 10 is not going to do it. 8, 48. Gives us 6. Oh, that's 9? Mr. Light. 9 times 6 is 54. That's one of the... It's a sticky point for me sometimes. So 9 times 6 is 54. So I should have just known that. So 9 kilometers. And then how many meters is that? 900 meters. There are... meters in 1 kilometer. 54 kilometer bike ride and a 9 kilometer run. Well done, Theo.